Hello there, in this tutorial I will show you how to update your site info from your customizer. It's very easy, so let's do it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Under Appearance, click Customize. On the next window, you will find all the available options. Click the site info. Based on your theme functionality, you will find any of them. First, click the site tagline, and here you will be able to update your site tagline. Then the contact text, here the option for enable or disable this contact text, then the code itself. Here you see the phone number does not have any space or any characters between the numbers, and here you can have spaces or the characters between the numbers, and it is essential to have a tactical phone number. So whenever someone click on your phone number, the calling functionality of your device will be initiated. Then the phone number itself, here option for enable or disable this option. Then the phone number, it can have a space or a special character between the numbers, but it cannot. Then the title and option to upload an icon. Then the email address, enable or disable the email address from here. Then the email address itself and an option to add a description. Then option to upload an icon. Same for the opening hour, enable or disable this opening hour section. Then the title and a description and option for upload an icon. Then the address, same functionality, enable or disable by checking or unchecking this section. Then the title and the address itself and option to upload an icon. And once you make any changes, don't forget to click the publish button here to save the changes. And that's all. Thanks for watching.